Hi friends, so you guys have made observations about the daytime sky and your objectives for today's science lesson says we will go outside on a sunny day and discuss what we see in the sky. So I want you to take another moment to step outside again, look at the sky, see if it looks the same today as it did the other day. And then I will draw a picture of what I see in the daytime sky. So your assignment directions for today says create a drawing of what you see in the daytime sky and upload your picture in the Google form. Use whatever you have available at home, like paper, pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you have to make your picture. Here is an example of a picture of the daytime sky. You might see clouds, a sun, maybe you see a moon or something else, birds or something in the sky that you didn't see before. So create a drawing of what you see in the daytime sky. This is just an example. And then you're going to click here to upload your work on the Google form. So you're going to click the blue letter that says here. It pops up a link and you'll click the link. And then it will take you to your Google form. And it just says Science Daytime Sky Picture. Today you made observations about the daytime sky. Draw a picture of the sky and upload your picture. So first, type your first and last name below. Click here, type your first and last name, and then upload a picture of your drawing of the daytime sky. So you're going to take a picture on your iPad or your Chromebook, whatever you have, and then once it's on your device, you're going to hit Add File, find where you saved the picture, and hit Upload.